Hello, what's up, folks? This is great science, okay? And in this video today, we're not gonna make a video on make money online. My channel is for both make money online videos and self-development videos, okay? So expect to see something like this sometimes. Now, in this video, I just want to recommend some books you should read. It's gonna be very short, okay? But if you read these books, okay, you can search for the audiobooks online. You can buy the books from Amazon. You can search for the books on Amazon, or you just get the audiobook on YouTube, for free. Okay, just search for it on YouTube. The audiobook of so thing that I'm gonna recommend now. If you do this, you are gonna see positive change. Okay, so number one book I recommend you read as a student, as an adult, is Ask and It Is Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks. Okay, that book is going to change your destiny. It's going to change your entire life. Ask and It Is Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks. Number one book I recommend. Number two book I recommend is You Are the Placebo by Dr. Joe Dispenser. Okay, again I repeat, You Are the Placebo by Dr. Joe Dispenser. That's another book I recommend you read. The third book I recommend you read is The Biology of Belief. The Biology of Belief by Dr. Bruce Lipton. Okay, The Biology of Belief by Dr. Bruce Lipton. The Biology of Belief by Dr. Bruce Lipton. So go check out these three books. These three books are going to heal you. Okay, if you are depressed, if you are sad, these three books are going to really bring out something out of you, something good out of you. So get these three books, man, and change your entire life today. This is great science. That's all. Smash the like button. Let's go.